Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, adults of all ages, and to everyone hearing the sound of my voice all over the world, you're welcome to this wonderful session that we have. We call it our crypto educational series, where we talk about cryptocurrency, its evolution, and the fact that we, both you and I, can take advantage of what the market happens to hold. So I want to thank you all for being in this meeting once again. It's great to be here. I Ibikaya, you are co-host. I made Ade Direct a co-host, so you can help me add the people as they come on the call. We're not going to waste every single minute. We're going to start immediately with what we have to offer. So right about now, I'm going to go directly to share my screen. And so that we go on to what we have today. So you can use this time to invite all your people to be on the call because we're starting right now. We're starting right now. Right. The opportunity I'm about to present to you is brought to you directly by RoyalQ. And it's a crypto trading with artificial intelligence bots. And so a lot of people do not understand what cryptocurrency is. But before I go into what we have to say today, I would like us to take our minds back to the situation of our country today. Wherever you are in the world, our monies are facing inflation. Inflation, be it naira, dollar, pounds, euro, yen, whatever currency is facing inflation right now. Because the way we see it all over the world, there are a lot of stuff that is happening, and we are trying to cope. Even as I speak to you as a lawyer, I'm also into crypto trading. I'm also into network marketing. The reason being that the fear of poverty is the beginning of multiple streams of income. I'm going to take that again. The fear of poverty is the beginning of multiple streams of income. And so that's why we need to look inwards and ask ourselves, are we happy with our financial situation? Do we want to make it better? How can we make it better? How can we create a system that is safe and secure and can guarantee returns? Ladies and gentlemen, I want to take you through what we understand is cryptocurrency and the evolution of money, because money has evolved over time to what cryptocurrency is today. And so when you're asked, what is cryptocurrency? The first answer that you can give is that cryptocurrency is the current stage in the evolution of money. And so money has evolved over time from what we know as the barter system, the trade by barter, and then to gold and precious metals. And then we have metal coins. And then we have the fiat money or the paper money system. And then we have plastic cards, electronic money like the M-Pesa, like the Momo in Ghana. And then currently we have cryptocurrency. And so when you're asked, what is cryptocurrency? The simple answer is that cryptocurrency is the current stage in the evolution of money. And so the first question someone would ask is, why is it really relevant? What makes cryptocurrency existential? The technology that created cryptocurrency is what we know as the blockchain technology. And just like the internet technology, it is one of the wonders of the world. In fact, we want to call it the seventh wonder of the world. Because like you all know, what we are using today is the internet, but the full word is internet technology. The good thing about it is that the internet became famous because of its ability to transfer information instantly just by clicking enter. And then you can reach out to anyone or everyone all over the world. But we call the blockchain technology the Internet 2.0, because it does not only have the ability to transfer information, it has the ability to transfer value. And what is value? Value is money. Value is money. And so how does the blockchain work? The blockchain, like the word says, is all transactions are created in a decentralized system and put in blocks and then chained together. In simple parlance, the blockchain technology simply means a technology that cannot be edited, that cannot be erased, and cannot be destroyed. And so it keeps all data and all transactions all over the world in a blockchain system. Now, the blockchain technology was one that was created, or which we know as the brainchild of Bitcoin. The creator of Bitcoin is known as Satoshi Nakamoto. We do not know if he's a man or a woman or a group of people, but it's a pseudonym because his true identity has not been verified or revealed today. Satoshi Nakamoto authored the Bitcoin paper and designed the first blockchain database. And today, as we speak, we have over 2,000 legitimate legal cryptocurrencies all over the world, spanning a value of over $2.8 trillion. And so we're seeing what's happening with the world today, the economics of the world, the finances, the banking situation, and how this blockchain technology has created cryptocurrency as its brainchild. Today, as we speak, the blockchain technology is not only used in cryptocurrency, it is also used in different spheres of human endeavor. We can take some example from insurance, from precious metals, from music, a whole lot of different things that we see the blockchain being used today. Now, with cryptocurrency, they have what we call investment strategies. Investment strategies are those ways that you and I can earn from the knowledge that we have with cryptocurrency. Ladies and gentlemen, we have two different cryptocurrency investment strategies, which are number one, holding or hodling, and then trading. When we say holding or hodling, we simply mean the ability to buy cryptocurrencies at a small value and holding it for bigger gains. Originally, hodling was a word that was used in the late 2000s when Bitcoin began. And although at that time, governments of the world said Bitcoin is a scam. Why? Because it's not real. You cannot hold it. That money cannot be virtual. How can it not be virtual? How can we be able to hold money that we cannot see? Something that is on the internet. Today, ladies and gentlemen, all over the world, there are countries that are bought into Bitcoin and are holding it for the long term. Another way that you can earn from investing in cryptocurrency is trading. And by trading, I mean the juxtaposition of Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, USDT, Ripple, BNB, Ethereum, over 2,000 different cryptocurrencies today. And so that is why we're here today, because we are going to look into all the opportunities that are prevalent in this industry. My co-host, please help me add the people as they come on the call. Now, before we go much more into cryptocurrency itself, we need to discuss the different types of trading. Trading is part of life. It is an important part of human existence. When you go to the market and buy gari or buy beans, you are trading. You're giving your money and getting commodity for it. But ladies and gentlemen, there are different types of trading that have been in existence for hundreds of years. And much more people do not still understand how it works. And so we're about to look into different types of trading that are being done by humans. Number one, we have is stock trading, which is simply the buying and selling of stocks of publicly traded companies on marketplaces like the New York Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange, and the Tokyo Stock Exchange. We have commodity trading, which is the buying and selling of commodities like gold, silver, oil, agricultural products on marketplaces like CME and NYMEX. And also not only that, we have different other types of trading like bond trading, With bond trading, we simply mean the buying and selling of debt securities issued by governments or corporations or marketplaces like the U.S. Treasury market. And so we're just going to look much more into options trading, futures trading, and then Forex trading, which a lot of people are open to, and then cryptocurrency trading. At this time, I wish to ask for all the important people in the house, all the guests in the house, if you have ever traded the Forex market, please type a yes. If you have traded the Forex market before, type a yes. If you have not traded the market before, just type a no. I say this because I would like to know the values of people on this call and how far they have gone with the creation of trading in our human endeavor. So if you have traded the Forex market before, just type a yes. If you have not, just type a no. Yes, John says no. Marcel Aziri says no. Patrick Erawan says no. Emmanuel Aneke says yes. Emmanuel, what is your experience with Forex trading? If it's a good experience, just type 1. If it's a bad experience, type the number 2. I did Forex trading for the better part of 12 years, and I'm telling you for free that I never had a blissful time for straight 1 year. It was bad. It was really bad. And so when I understood what cryptocurrency is and understood that there is a market for cryptocurrency, then I knew that it was the time for me to say, no, I can't continue losing my money in the Forex market. I have to look for something that is better, that is easier, and is more profitable for me. And that's why I delved into the cryptocurrency market. And since I started trading the cryptocurrency market, I have never turned back because of the powerful tool that we have in trading these markets. There are different areas of crypto trading, which we're going to look into shortly. Futures trading, and then we have margin trading, and then we have spot trading. So crypto exchanges facilitate spot trading, which is a strategy in which traders buy or sell the underlying crypto assets at the current market price. And the transaction is instantly settled. Generally, spot trading in crypto refers to purchasing the token at a low price and selling it at a higher price. Now, we need to understand that with spot trading, which we are focusing on, you can never lose your money. But when you're trading futures or margin trading, you stand a chance to lose your money. But with spot trading, all you need is patience and discipline. Why? Because you are buying into an asset that the quantity cannot be disturbed. It's just the value that has to go through the trading itself. It's time for us to juxtapose or to compare the Forex market and the crypto trading market. Our leader OBM is in the house. I greet you, bros. It's good to have you on this call. Now let us look at Forex trading and compare it with what we have with cryptocurrency trading. If you can see my screen, you would see that the Forex market trades 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. And then the cryptocurrency market runs 24 hours, 7 days a week, non-stop. So you would agree with me that in both markets, you stand a chance to earn more when you trade on the cryptocurrency market rather than the Forex market. In the Forex market, we trade fiat currencies in pairs, USD, GBP, Euro USD, USD JPY. But when you're trading in a cryptocurrency market, you're trading in cryptocurrencies like BTC/USDT, Ethereum BTC, BNB BTC, and like I said, over 2,000 legitimate, correct cryptocurrencies in the market today. With the Forex market, volatility is generally lower, but with the cryptocurrency trading, high volatility is what we see, which creates value for the traders. And with the upcoming bull run, we see coins sometimes do 80%, 100%. 70%, double digits on a daily trade. Ladies and gentlemen, those of us who trade the Forex market enjoy this volatility because it gives us the ability to earn much more in the market as the trades continue. And then the Forex market is worth 7.5 trillion US dollars. But the crypto market is estimated currently at 2.9 trillion. We cannot compare the existence of these both markets because as we speak, the Forex market is over 100 years in existence. The crypto market began in 2009 after the formation of the first cryptocurrency, which we know as Bitcoin. From 2009 till date, we have seen a major growth in this market, worth over $2.9 trillion and growing. And with the upcoming Bitcoin, we're going to see double digits of trillions of dollars coming into this market. My opinion, my prediction is that a time will come where there will be much more money being traded on the crypto market than even the Forex market. Traditional institutional systems are going to suffer because what we have here is cryptocurrency, which I see as a barter 2.0, given the ability or given the power back to individuals and not owned by the government or financial institutions. With Forex market, with the Forex trading, your market can close your trade in loss, even when your leverage capital cannot sustain the loss. So I remember when I was trading that market, oh God, God save me. Oh. If you are trading with $1,000, you are advised for risk management. So you know what? Just use $200 to go into the market to trade and keep 800. Why? Because just in case the market is going against you, you have enough money to leverage the loss so that hopefully when the market reverses, you can be earning in profits. But here in the cryptocurrency market, we do not have losses that shuts down our capital. The reason being that losses are shown in our crypto coins in our wallets, and these may increase in value over time. So you can actually use all the money you have to trade and buy coins. You do not need a leverage capital, but you need some money to be left so that the bots can do what we call DCA, which you will learn in the preceding pages. The Forex market is only accessible through brokers, but with cryptocurrency, it is accessible through cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, Bybit, and the likes. The Forex trading gives you access to trade currencies, to speculate on the currencies and not own them. But with the cryptocurrency trading market, it gives you ownership of these coins you trade, ownership of crypto assets. I need to break this down a little bit for you. When you are putting up a trade in the cryptocurrency market, you're virtually buying that coin. The quantity that you buy does not change. It is the value that changes. The quantity remains constant. 100 units of Ethereum today could be X amount, and even if the value falls, you still have 100 units of that Ethereum. The difference is when the value increases, your 100 units of Ethereum increases in value. So in the cryptocurrency market, we do not speculate. We actually own the cryptocurrency assets. In the cryptocurrency market, there are two types of market, the bullish market and the bearish market. When we say bullish, you can see from the sign the bull is bent with his horn forward and ready to charge. Positive sentiments all over the market. We expect uptrends to continue. Higher volume with high price, and demand is higher than supply. And with the law of economics, when demand is higher than supply, what happens? The value increases. Ladies and gentlemen, this is 2024. This is the year of the bull run. This is the year of Bitcoin halving, which happened in April. And statistics have shown that when Bitcoin increases in the bull run, we have all other alternate coins, or what we call altcoins, increase in value. So we could see in a system where you're trading on the cryptocurrency market in a bull run, You can make 30, 40, 50, even 100% of your capital in a short time. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not capping. I am waiting. This is the 1st of September. And this month, this month, things are going to happen in the market. A lot are going to happen. If you're on this call and you have not had your bot working for you, as soon as this call ends, get back to who invited you on this call and say, you know what, I want to get started so that I can take advantage of the bull run. Because we see people who buy $100 worth of coins, and in a short time or in a few months, that $100 is worth $20,000, $50,000, even $100,000. We say the market is bearish when there's a negative sentiment, and in that system, uptrends begin to reverse. There is usually higher volume for lower price, and usually the market sentiment is pretty low. The question I have to answer for you is, does the RoyalQ bot trade in the bear and the bull market? The answer is yes. The RoyalQ bot is designed to trade successfully in both the bull and the bear markets. The bot employs various strategies and tools that allows it to adapt to different market conditions. And so, what is RoyalQ? What is RoyalQ bot? What is this app or this bot that Taj is talking about? The RoyalQ bot is an automated cryptocurrency trading bot designed to help users trade digital assets more effectively by leveraging on artificial intelligence and quantitative trading strategies. I know that this English may be too much, but the simple terms in simple parlance, RoyalQ is an app that you can download on your phone, subscribe to, and have it trading for you with your money safely in your exchange wallet. So any profits you make directly goes to the wallet. You can close at any time. You can have access to your money at any time. You do not need to seek withdrawal. We do not give our money to anyone. And that is what we call Ponzi schemes. Please be aware that there are Ponzi schemes everywhere. Whatever name it is called, they say they have AI or QI. They are into mining. They are into staking. They are Skynet, this net, WNet. Run, no. Please, I'd like you all to tell me, if you are in this house and you have lost money to one or two crypto scheme or Forex scheme or whatever, just give me 111. If you have never lost me money before, just give me a 333. I want to know those who have been beaten badly while searching for another stream of income. Direct said he's lost over 50 million. So let us say big 111. Marcel Waziri say 111. Madam OK, who is more than OK, it's good to have you on the call. Just want to take this time. Let me make you a co-host. You can see right now, just look at the chart and see a lot of people who have lost money but never gave up in the system. Never gave up because they know that somehow, some way, in the same system, there are systems that work. And if only you can find it, it can change your life for the better. I can see my leaders on the call. I have Don G in the house. I have Ebok in the house. The Doctor of Money, I did direct in the house. And so many others in the house. It's good to have you. I'm making you all a co-host so you can help me attend to the people as they come on the call. So you can see right up on the chart, a lot of people have lost money trading or giving money to others to trade on here, all in the bid to create another stream of income. And so if you look at the screen right now, it's going to show you the advantages that you have trading on the crypto market. The screen is showing you the advantages that you have when you're trading with RoyalQ, automated trading. Remember, we said that this market runs 24/7. And so this, our app or bot, runs 24/7. What we do is an API integration where the security of your funds is 100% because you have all your monies with you in your exchange. And so the question I have to ask you is, how can you be afraid to lose money that is 100% in your possession? Thank you, Dr. Money. You're too much. Strategy customization. You can customize strategies to work with. And that's why we have our TGS strategy, which we use to enter trades. And 9 out of 10 times, we make profits with the system. RoyalQ creates a risk management system where we are diversified in our funds, and then we have take profits that we take advantage of. The system is user-friendly because not only do we have a mobile app that you can download and work with, you can also use it on your desktop. And then we have real-time market analysis done for us by the RoyalQ itself, something that makes trading a lot easier because we have technical indicators and market monitoring system that gives us the ability or the conviction to know when to enter into a trade or not. And so someone just whispered to me that when the market is bearish, does this bot actually make money? When the market is whoa, anyhow, red, do you make money? Ladies and gentlemen, our RoyalQ bot uses what we know as the dollar cost averaging system, DCA. So during a bear market, the bot can use the DCA system to buy assets at different price points, reducing the average cost of holdings and preparing for eventual market recovery. So remember what we said, that in the Forex market, you need to leave some money as leverage so that when the trade is going against you, at least you have money to sustain it. But in this system, we leave some amount of money, not trading with everything, simply because if in any case the trade is going against us, the bot automatically uses those remaining USDT you have on your spot wallet to buy the dip, which we know as margin calls. And so with that system, when the bot executes margin calls for you, wherein you're waiting to get a $10 as your profit, you eventually can see 30, 40, even $50. Why? Because when the market kept falling, the bot kept buying those dip at different prices for you. So when the market is reversing, it is reversing with massive profits for you and I. When we say this is a company that cares, a company that not just creates a bot and waits for money that it earns, it also takes into consideration millions of data which it uses to analyze the market. And with a barometer, it shows us whether we go for a strong buy or if we ignore the trade. And so you can see right on my screen how the system is created currently by RoyalQ, where you have the bots showing you through a compilation of millions of data, telling you if the coin is good to buy or if it's good to just ignore because it is in a sell position. So what do I need to use RoyalQ for trading? The first thing you need is a crypto exchange account with Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, HTX, or any of these exchanges that is verified. So first thing, you need to open an exchange account, which will act as where you have your trading capital in. You also need a registered email address and password, which you're going to use for your registration. Ladies and gentlemen, registration is free with this company. You can register and have the app and just go through all the materials on that app. It is highly educational. And then what you need for 1 year, 12 months, is 120 USDT to rent the bot for 1 year. And then some 20 to 50 USDT for your fuel fees, which is the fees that the company takes out from you for every successful trades that you make. And then the sweetest part of the business, the fact that your trading capital, you don't give it to any broker. It is with you. It is in your exchange. So whatever amount you have, let's say 50 or 100 or 1,000 or 5,000 or $50,000, there is no fear of loss because it remains with you in your exchange. The bot is only integrated to trade with those USDT in your spot wallets, and that makes it awesome. Please note, all your funds and trading capital is in your exchange platform. You do not send your money to the bot or anyone to trade for you. Please say no to Ponzi. You see, one thing with these Ponzi schemes, when they come, it's easy, it's sweet to bring in people, but just give it some few months or 1 year or highest 2 years. When they fail you, the heartache that you feel cannot be compared to anything else. And I failed so much in the Ponzi scheme that it took me over 2 years to look into what RoyalQ has to offer. My only regret is that I did not start earlier. I would not have been where I am today. But 3 months in the business, I am seeing a whole lot of changes with RoyalQ in my life, in my finances. And once again, I am happy because my funds are secured. I do not need to wait for a company to release my funds in the forms of withdrawal. I do not need to bring in anybody before I earn, because just from the amounts of money I have in my trading capital, I can earn every day. And that's why you see there are different ways to earn with RoyalQ. Number one is you earn every time the robot sells your coins. So when you place your trade with the martingale strategy bot, it only buys low and sells high. So in that way, you can earn profits with the bot trading for you. Another way is what we know as affiliate income. You earn every time you share this opportunity with others. And why shouldn't you? Tell me, why shouldn't you share RoyalQ with others? There's no other business that you hold your money with you and you keep trading. There's no other business that you have 101% secured funds. There's no other business that you do with peace of mind that you have the bot trading for you. When you wake up in the morning, you see your profits and you are happy. That's a happy day. There's no other business where you have the peace of mind to show this to your friends, family, relations, because no one will lose money here. The RoyalQ bot never, I repeat, never trades you in losses. It never closes your losses. It is left for you to wait patiently, or if you need money seriously for one thing or the other, you can close your trades, take your losses, and use your money at any time. That is 101% usability for your money. Another way is team trading profits. If you are like me, growing a team, helping others, and making sure that those who you brought into different Ponzi schemes are using this opportunity to gain back what they've lost, then you will also earn a percentage of profits that the robot generates for your team members. Ladies and gentlemen, this is awesome. It's very awesome. When you activate the bot for anybody, you get $30. But the beauty of it is the fact that as they begin to trade, as they begin to make profits, you begin to earn some cents upon those trades. And imagine when you have 1,000 team members, when you have been able to alleviate the poverty of over 1,000 people, or 2,000 people, or 3,000 people. Even if you do not trade, you're going to see sizable amounts of money. And remember, USDT today is not 1 naira. It's not 100 naira. It's not 1,000 naira. It's 1,650 naira. So you're earning in dollars, something much more valuable than dollars. We are going to talk much more about this on Tuesday. You know why? We don't want to let anybody bother themselves. Just get started. Because on Tuesday, we have our members meeting, and this Tuesday is going to be epic because it's going to be the beginning of a massive training, which is going to be done by Professor John Esley. Oh my God. If you miss that training on Tuesday, forget it. You have wasted your time. You have wasted the opportunity that you can be a billionaire confirmed in this system. Because by Tuesday, we're going to be delving straight into the compensation plan of RoyalQ. How you can set yourself up to earn residual income for the rest of your life. for the rest of your life, people. As much as there remains a cryptocurrency market, there will remain a RoyalQ. As much as a RoyalQ remains, you and your team members will continue to earn. And that's one thing that I'm holding so dear. And that's why we're doing these meetings, because we know that in the beginning, it is little drops of water that makes a mighty ocean. Just look at your screen, ladies and gentlemen. When you hit the rank of V2, you earn $10 to $50 daily. Let us look at $50. Let's change that to Naira. Times 1,650. I need the smartest person in the house to tell me how much that is. Just as a V2. 50 times 1,650. Or let's just be modest. 50 times 1,600. See the ability of what you can earn daily without going to work, without running in and around or looking for what to do. Because you have grown a team, you can earn this. I need the smartest individual in this call to let me know how much is $50 in Naira when you times it by 1,600, so that you can understand the possibility, the opportunity that you have trading with the RoyalQ app. How much is $50 when you compare it to what we have? That is 80,000 Naira on a daily basis. I'm not sure. There's only professionals in Nigeria that can earn as much as that on a daily basis. If you times that by 30, just help me, please. 80 times 30, what you can earn just by growing a team, just by creating passive income for yourself. And that's why we want to bring this training in another format, in another way on Tuesday. Don't miss this meeting, because it's going to change lives, and it is changing lives already. 2.4 million, my brother. 2.4 million is what you can earn on a monthly basis. This will not be saying now your trade, though, just because you don't build your team and everybody they earn. I beg. Please write it there. I will never be poor. Poverty is not my portion. I will be rich, because by showing these opportunities to others, they become happy, they love you, they respect you, you continue to earn, ladies and gentlemen. If you know you will never be poor, please write it on the chat. If you don't write it, just know say poverty is your option. I will never be poor. I'm telling you, my brother. E-box, I will be rich forever. Rata Baba Sante DB. You're not the third person now. If you're not right now, you know, you're calling poverty to yourself. OBM, no, you don't reach already now. Why you do like that? V5. Let us look at V5. You will not draw my leg out. Will not make me verse. Will not call people name. This evening, when you are a V5, you earn between $1,000 to $4,000 daily. Please don't calculate. Don't calculate. Because if you try to calculate, even at $1,000 daily, I beg, you'll get a headache this night. You go hawk RoyalQ for your head. Say, please, I need you guys to be part of this. I want to change lives. And that is the mindset. The mindset is not bringing people because you want to earn. The mindset is bringing people into this business because they have lost money before. Because of you, they have invested in different Ponzi schemes and have lost money. And because you want to change their lives for the better. So now only 20 people out of 77 say they will never be poor in their life. So shall it be in Jesus' name. V6. Oh, my Jesus. If you missed that meeting on Tuesday, just forget it. I don't want to talk much about that. So how do I get started? If you are new, you're not using RoyalQ to trade, ask yourself, I have lost a lot. But as Urubu say, now when you wake up, now be your morning. The day your eye clear, that is when you begin your journey in this life. And my eyes became clear just 3 months ago. And I can tell you, I have testimonies to say, but we don't want to talk much. Get back to who invited you on this call and use the link or the code provided for you to register. Register and then rent your bot or activate or subscribe to your bot for 1 year and put a little money for your fuel fees. Whatever amount you have remaining is your trading capital. If you're using Binance, that remains in Binance. And so someone will ask me, like at this stage now, LawyerTAJ, if I now come with if I come with $1,000, how much will I be earning on a daily basis? Yeah, Nigerians on this question. If I put 1K now, how much I go to earn? Bros, that your 1,000 is with you. You are not giving it to anybody. And with what RoyalQ is offering, even in a bearish market, you can earn between 10 to 50% monthly. You trading for yourself with your trading capital in Binance. You have 100% possession of your money. Profits going directly to your exchange wallet, not RoyalQ. And so what you see on here are different advantages that you have when you trade RoyalQ, because you can trade at your convenience. You can set it in the morning and leave it and check it in the evening. Your capital is 100% possession. In your possession, your profit goes straight to your Binance account. And then this is a business that your kids can inherit, because no skill is required, no degree certificate is required. There's no loss of funds. All you need to do or have is patience, because in the market, we say it, whatever goes up must come down. And whatever comes down must what? Go up. God bless you, you're smart. And another advantage we have is the fact that if you continue to trade with the cryptocurrency app called RoyalQ, you will begin to see promising coins that you can actually hold for long term. God bless you, Dr. Money. She shared with us a couple of coins that we can buy now with the bull run hitting from this September. Ladies and gentlemen, some coins are going to do 1,000x. So some will do 500x. Some will do 200. Some can even do 10,000x. Okay. I want to be rich forever. That's the opportunity that we have, not just trading or earning residually, but by buying these coins, possession of cryptocurrency for holding purposes, you can earn greater profits, ladies and gentlemen, greater profits. And so I need to change this page, because the minimum startup you need is 140. I say 140 because 120 for your bot, $20 for your fuel fees, and whatever else you have in your Binance or whatever exchange you're using, you can trade with. So the minimum startup for me, I need to change this, is $140. 120 for the bot, 20 for your fuel fees. I have my cousin start with $50 today. She's almost at $80 in 2 months. With $50, she's earned over 60% of her money in 2 months. I've done 100% in 3 months with my capital. It's not like I'm a professional. I just follow the rules. I just use the TGS strategy, and that's what works for me. So even if you have $50 or 100 or 1,000 or 5,000 or 50,000, it is left for you. The higher capital you have, the more money you make. Some of the benefits of RoyalQ are too numerous to mention, but I'm just going to run through a few. You monitor and trade. You monitor your trades 24/7. It helps you monitor your trade and allows you to relax. The robot always buy low price and sell at a higher price, thereby making maximum profit for you. The robot trades on special risk management system that always gives you profit. And then there's the sobbing mode, which allows you to take profit even when the price is falling in a bearish market. And so I just want to give you a little preview about the TGS, or what we know as the top gainer strategy. Once the price action hits the lower or middle Bollinger Band and the purple line of the KDJ indicator is above the two other lines and facing upwards, you create an order to buy. And being a Christian, I just want to quote from the Bible, Ecclesiastes 11 verse 6. I'm going to tell you something, Lord. In the morning sow your seed, and in the evening withhold not your seed, for you do not know which will prosper, this or that, or whether both or alike will be good. And remember what the Bible says in Ecclesiastes 11 verses 2, Ecclesiastes 11 verse 2. Invest in 7 ventures, yes, even in it, because you do not know what disaster may come upon the land. The key to getting ahead is getting started, ladies and gentlemen. The key to getting ahead is getting started. Do not wait for the right times. Just get started.
LawyerTAJ, we can't hear you. LawyerTAJ, we can hear me. We can't hear you. We can't hear you.
Oh. Hello, can you hear me better now? If you can hear me, just type a
Yes.
yes.
Yes, I hear you. We hear you
Okay,
now. I
that's
hope
nice.
others do.
Okay, so I don't know. I did direct if he's on the call. If he's not, then our leader can.
Yes, I'm present. I'm present. Good evening,
Okay,
guys.
fire
Good
down, my
evening,
brother.
everyone. All right. Hello, everyone. Good
We
evening.
have
Good
just
evening.
5
Is your
minutes.
guy, Day Direct. All right. So, thank you, LawyerTAJ, for that wonderful presentation. I want to appreciate everyone present on today's Zoom meeting. I just want to appreciate the wonderful leaders in the house and everyone who has shown interest on RoyalQ. My name is Ali Dares once again, and I can tell you, I joined RoyalQ since 2021, May 21 precisely. Though I was not too good in trading then, as I was doing try and error for about 4 or 5 months. So I abandoned it, and officially I joined back 2023. And since then, I can tell you that I've been doing wonderfully well. Just today alone, from the top gainers strategy and the little leaders in the house has shown us, and my personal development, I've traded about 14 trades today alone. And with 300 trading capital, I was able to make $17. And tomorrow that we've not begun from our Nigerian time, though RoyalQ is using Singapore time, meaning that in Nigerian time, 4 p.m., any trade you activate from 4:01, we count for you for second day. You understand? So tomorrow that we've not begun in Nigeria, I've been able to make $3.3 with $300. Why yesterday, September 1st, beginning of the month, I've been able to make $17 with 300 trades. So what am I saying in essence is that RoyalQ is real, it's not Ponzi. This is simple and it's not far-fetched. This is because Ponzi, we promise you $1 million, $10 million within 2 days. Ponzi is something that would ask you to bring 10,000 naira and you will get 1 million naira. But on RoyalQ, I'm sure many of RoyalQ members must have been experiencing this, that you make a trade and you are on floating loss of $1 minus $1, $10, $15. Now listen again. Don't be panic, okay? This is to show you that RoyalQ is real and it is not Ponzi, okay? This is to show you that you are trading for real, okay? And because we've passed through some wonderful leaders who have shown us the way to always trade with margin call and with the use of top gainer strategy, using our Bollinger Band and our KDJ, it's normal, okay? Even using all this strategy, that does not mean your trade will sell 100% immediately. You understand? This is only an indicator with a plus of market manipulation. So what I'm trying to say is, for every RoyalQ member that's experiencing dip, be calm, know that the market is working and RoyalQ bot is working for you. And I'm sure every one of us know that RoyalQ bot will never sell your coin at loss. This is the confidence we have. For me, I lost 58 million naira, 160,000. Precisely September 2nd. It will be how many years tomorrow? I don't know. 2018. And on 2021, just like as if my family member is after me, somebody called me and introduced RoyalQ to me. And I was like, what the fuck? What is going on again? I just lost some huge amount of money. And I was not available. I was not willing to try anything online, Forex, crypto again. But guess what? Something wonderful thing brought my attention to RoyalQ, which is your money stays with you 100%. Ponzi will never promise you this. Just recently, someone was telling me about one stupid Ponzi and telling me, okay, your money is with you, but you have to wait for 30 days before you can withdraw. Are you mad? And it's still Ponzi. It's still telling you that your money is not 100% in your custody. How will you tell me time and minutes to withdraw my money? And this is why RoyalQ is so spectacular. You can withdraw even just today that I made $17. If I want to withdraw it just now and go and buy shawarma with it, I can do. You know? And that is RoyalQ. So I want to encourage every one of us, go back to your leaders, activate your account. There's something I normally receive as a message in my DM, like that $120 is too much. Hello, We use DSTV in our house, right? That you buy your DSTV and 53 inches TV does not mean your DSTV will work for you automatically. You still have to subscribe to it. And by the way, if you even calculate the amount you are using to subscribe your GoTV, your DSTV in a month, the only thing is RoyalQ is asking you, we are not doing monthly basis, we are doing yearly basis, which is so good for me because don't be surprised. By the end of the month, you might not even have that money to subscribe monthly again. But for 12 months, come on, that means you are booked for the whole 12 months. I've been using RoyalQ now for almost 3 years. I'm still counting. And only me knows how much I have made on RoyalQ. This is a business that can feed your family. Sometimes I don't go out 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 days. And my neighbor will still ask me, we thought we are traveled. And I'll tell them, no, I'm still around. On my bed, sometimes 12 p.m. I've not eaten, but I've already made how much dollar.
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, again, this is me, experience on RoyalQ. It's your guy, Adi Dares. I want to encourage us again. Please go back to your sponsor, go back to your referrer, and activate as soon as possible because what we have is real, which is RoyalQ. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Adi Direct, for that wonderful one. Please, for all the members on here, remember that we have our training with Professor John Essie this week. We will be starting from our members training on Tuesday, where we'll be looking much more onto the evolution of cryptocurrency, the compensation plan of the company, which is one part, and then we will have him come on either on that call or on another call. So if you have not made your little token, please do that as soon as possible because it's going to help a whole lot of us get the idea and be much more confident in placing our trades ourselves. So like we always do, we want to say our goodbyes. God bless you and see you all on Tuesday. So goodbye, everyone. For now. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening. God bless you all.
All right, guys. Good night.
All right. Good night, everyone.
Good night, my brother.
Good night, everyone.
All right. Good night, Oga Egbe.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Mr. Taj.
Thank you very much,
Yeah,
Salako Olawale.
Yes.
Where that one went, say Mr. Taj is high on something. If I heard you.